Yeah, this is a Toyota Hino truck, you know? Yeah. Yeah, man, it have a nice little vibes about it. Run rough, run boomy when it empty, you know, cause it's a spring blade and night. You know? Yeah. Nice little 6-speed truck. You know? A little single cab. The thing what I like about it, it have a little collapsible gear stick. So if you know, if you want to collapse the gear stick, see there. So you can collapse it by just, you know, look, you see it for easy access to cross. If you want jump cross, you see it, you can just collapse this. Yeah, so how you go by doing collapsing this now? You can just do it. It's a shift pattern, right? See pattern upon the shift. But how you collapse the stick now? You just lift it up. It have a spring tension to it. So you lift it up and you drop it down sideways. Right? So this way now in no gear, neutral position it, you know. Yeah, so you can make free movements cross it. And ready again, you just draw back the spring tension, bring it up. Yeah, I don't know, just there sit down like a truck. Wait for something, so just make a little content out of it. Yeah, AC and blow nice and cool. Still have up my Christmas decoration them in my truck. Yeah. But one of them things, man. That's what I think. Come with Shanka. Yeah, when the Shanka engage, the green light they come on. Lock it off, it come on back, you know. Not a whole heap of speed, but I have a little pulling power. I should have faster still, but so it go. You know, so we Jamaicans we like speed. Yeah, man, bless up. So I think so.